Near many dancers son unquane mediano. Mekum no bini miche. Yo, this is SAB0TAGING. Where you be unknown too. Keep watching. Continue.
Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on SAB0TAGING TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so straight to today's bars, we have Akuapem Poloo curses TV3, says they will see no happiness on earth for sabotaging her. Yeah, so actress Akuapem Poloo, now musician, has gone wild in a new video, raining curses on giant TV network TV3 for trying to sabotage her infant music career. Akuapem Poloo is out with a new single and has dropped a music video as well. She subsequently arranged with TV3 to promote her song on their platform. However, things took a dramatic turn when TV3 refused to honor their part of the agreement on the D-Day and instead played Bosom Pyong Atadwe's song during the scheduled time. According to Akuapem Poloo, someone in the industry who wants to sabotage her bribed TV3 not to go ahead with the premiering of her video. An angry Akuapem Poloo wondered why the TV station stooped so low to take the bribe and sabotage her. And it was at this juncture that she started raining curses on them. Okay guys, watch the video.
So because yesterday I posted that today I'm going to premiere my song on TV3, so you were able to take money, go and bribe TV3 people not to show my video. That I said I'm launching my video today on TV3. Hey Ghana, when will you change? You try to bring me down, but God always takes me to places. Don't be surprised what God will do for me this year. Whoever is behind this, God will punish you. TV3, how can someone come to your station to premiere her song and you will show Atadwa? God will punish you on TV3. You will see no happiness, I'm telling you. If you think you can bring it down, it's a lie. Because expect something more this year. And my music video is going to be on my YouTube channel. People love Rosamond Brown. My people are going to watch it. Please, if you think you are hurting me, it's a lie. It's a lie, oh. You were scared. They are scared of me. Oh, Ghana musicians are scared of me. Especially the ladies. You want to pay so that they won't show my song. How can someone premiere her song and it won't be shown on the background? And they've sent you the video too. You showed it when we are angry to you. And you use my video to close your segment. TV3, I have nothing to tell you, but watch out. It's a disgrace. You want to bring me down. It's a lie.
Yeah guys, you heard it all. Kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon, and so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.